Lily. Do you want to say your ABCs for Aunt Chrissy? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay, Lily, you did your ABCs. Can you count? 1, 2, 3. Don't forget 3, 4, 5. Can you try it again? What's it?
1, 2, 4, 5.
Lily.